May 1945. The guns in Europe finally fell silent. Massive celebrations erupted across the free world as Nazi Germany surrendered unconditionally. But amidst the ticker-tape parades and global relief, one legendary American commander refused to celebrate. General George S. Patton was absolutely furious. While the rest of the world saw the end of a nightmare, Patton looked east toward the Soviet Union and saw a new, even more dangerous one beginning. In the final months of his life, he delivered a chilling warning that still echoes today. In my opinion, we are fighting the wrong enemy. To understand this explosive claim, you have to look at the ground reality of 1945. The Soviet Red Army had steamrolled across Eastern Europe, occupying capitals from Warsaw to Berlin. The alliance between Washington and Moscow was merely a temporary arrangement to defeat Hitler. By VE Day, the cracks were already turning into chasms. Patton was a fierce anti-communist who viewed the Soviets as a totalitarian threat to Western civilization. He saw little moral difference between Stalin's regime and Hitler's. He argued passionately that the Allies should not stop. He wanted to keep pushing east, challenging Stalin's grip on Europe while America still had the ultimate military advantage. Most controversially, Patton suggested slowing down the denazification process and even utilizing defeated German troops as a buffer against the incoming Red Army tide. He wrote to his wife, "I am frankly opposed to this war criminals stuff. It is not cricket and is Semitic. I am also opposed to sending POWs to work as slaves in foreign lands where many will be starved to death." This kind of talk horrified the political leadership back in Washington. Everyone was desperate to avoid a third world war with their former powerful ally. Patton's unfiltered comments to the press quickly made him a massive political liability. Eisenhower made the difficult decision to relieve him of his command in Bavaria, effectively silencing him. Tragically, just 2 months later, Patton was paralyzed in a freak low-speed car accident in Germany and died shortly after in a hospital. He never lived to see the Iron Curtain fall, blocking off Eastern Europe for nearly half a century, just as he had feared. Many historians dismiss his ideas as reckless, noting that the American public had no appetite for another war. But others argue he foresaw the Cold War before anyone else. In the end, Patton was a warrior without a war, a man who thrived on conflict but could not navigate the peace. Was Patton a dangerous warmonger unable to accept peace, or was he a strategic prophet whose final warning came too late? His belief that America was fighting the wrong enemy remains one of the most haunting what-ifs of the 20th century. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more untold history. And do you think Patton was right about the Soviets?